Hi guys, so welcome back. So today is going to be a vlog day. So anyways, I'm going to go to see Clarice. We're going to Buffalo Wild Wings. We're going to meet over there for lunch, and then I literally just got done doing my makeup, and then I just got dressed. Just a plain t-shirt and some sweatpants and some Vans shoes. So yeah, I'm going there. The weather's actually good, that's why I'm kind of like just wearing a shirt. I have a hoodie and I will probably just wear that probably later on. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog today. So, and I did a car tour yesterday, so watch that. I'm going to upload that first before this vlog, so watch that first. And yeah, so let's go because I'm going to get some gas first, and then I'll talk to you guys later. Okay guys, so our agenda for today is going to meet my friend Clarice at Buffalo Wild Wings, and also we're going to the mall because I just talked to my family and I'm so happy and I'm glad that she finally received the iPhone 6s. iPhone 6s, my old phone, because it took 2 months, you guys. I was just like literally upset because I thought it's just gonna be like a 2 weeks, because I sent a package before and it only took like 2 weeks. So I don't know, like I think it's because it's a phone and I don't know. So anyway, I'm happy that she received the phone so she can just like FaceTime me, stuff like that, because I think she had a I don't know what phone she got. It's like Samsung, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm happy that she received the phone, and I'm actually going, like I said earlier, we're going to the mall so I can buy like the shoes and some shirts for my sister and brother. So because I'm gonna be doing a balikbayan, like what's on my balikbayan box. I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do that tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys later when I'm at the gas station. Okay guys, I'm here at the gas station. I'm just gonna get some gas real quick. I already told Clarice that I'm on my way, so all right.
A few inches later.
Okay guys, so I'm here. I just literally parked at the Buffalo Wild Wings parking lot, whatever that means. So that's that. So I'm just waiting for Clarice because she's still not here. She's probably take a few minutes. So I'm really hungry, like my stomach is growling here guys. It's gross, but I'm going to talk to you guys later when she's here. Guys, we have food. We got food. Yeah, I'm lighting it. But still, that is like,
Hindi mo pinaghirapan naman video ng iba, di ba?
But for me, it's like, parang ginagawa nila na for living, but it's not gonna pay them, to be honest with you. It's really not gonna pay them. Hey guys, so we're here at H&M. I'm looking for some summer clothes so I can send it to my sister and brother. So yeah, that's our agenda for today. We just got done eating and now we're here at the mall. By the way, this is my outfit, just a shirt, sweatpants, and some Vans. Huh? Meron ba dyan? Okay guys, so far I have these clothes right there, just on the rack sale right there. So Tap. Bakit wala silang ano?
Wala na silang card.
Okay, so far I have all of these clothes. Look at this. It's all on sale. All the summer clothes are on sale. So I'm gonna look for more clothes. It's over here as well. Guys, so tapos na ako. Ito na yung mag-haul ako later. Tapos ka na? Yeah. Punta tayo ng Bath and Body? Yes. Okay, punta kami ng Bath and Body. Tapos we'll see from there. Be, gusto ko mag-coffee. May Victoria's Secret dyan. Doon ka mo. So, tingin tayo guys. Kung ano dito. Hindi ko wala nasasabi sa vlog. Baka. Okay guys, so nandito ako sa Victoria's Secret kasi wala naman akong kailangan sa Bath and Body Works. So nakabili na akong lotion. So titingin ako ng mga new pair of panty or mga tong. So meron silang ano 5 for $28.50. So it's almost like $29. So yan. Magkuha tayo ng ano mga panty. Thong. So I'm gonna get a thong because I like thongs and some regular basic panty. So it's 5 for $28.50. It's either a thong or just a regular underwear. There. So they're ready for Valentine's Day, ladies. Ooh, that one's cute. This one's cute. 5 for $28.50. Before it was just 5 for $27. I don't know why they changed. So they also have lotion and mist, you guys. I don't know if you can hear me because the music is way too loud.
Sale.
Coffee break po kami ni Madam. Yan.
Break guys. Thanks eh.
Yan. Kami sa Starbucks. Ano? Yayamanin. So, we are going to Ulta. Ulta na naman. We're going to Ulta. Because she's going to buy some makeup. And I'm actually gonna buy some setting spray. And some lash glue. I'm hoping. Just the two. So, yes. Yan. Dito na kami sa Ulta. Ulta. I'm gonna ask for the Morphe setting spray. Oh, nandito be. So, here. Here's the Morphe setting spray for $16. Get this. Okay, I'll get one. And they have brushes. Yeah, this is the Maybelline, you guys. This is like my favorite liquid lipstick. I'm actually wearing the shade Amazonian right there. This is the one right here, Amazonian. Oh, they have the Seductress. I like their nudes. I also have the Driver and the Fighter. So this is Seductress. It's opened already. Why is that open though? It's the Maybelline right there. Nandito kami, makeup hunting. Yan siya. Struggle is real. Kasi walang mga presyo yung ano nila. They don't have prices. So, plus they don't have like scan. So, you can check the price. They don't have that here. They don't have the L'Oreal concealer, the new one. They do have?
Yeah.
Is that the new one?
Oh, the new?
Oh yeah, the new one. Yeah, we're good. Yeah. It's the Maybelline aisle. And she's checking out the Makeup Revolution concealer they have.
Uy, Bill, same po.
What's that? Is it a mist?
Fixing spray.
How much? $3.99?
Wala na yata.
Wala na.
Kaya pala. Hindi, mas Bill, $3 and
Ah, okay. I'm gonna give away this palette right here. It's in the
yeah.
Papag-giveaway ako.
Mura lang ang Revolution ah.
I'm gonna get this, guys, because I do have a lot of summer shade foundation that is like darker. So if I mix white, what?
Nagulat ako. Nung sa kukunin natin to guys, C3. Nung ay shit.
Uy!
Nagulat nga ako eh. Ay shit, sabi ko.
So yeah, I'm gonna get these. Add to cart.
Nagulat talaga ako.
Okay, so thank God I found that one. So here is the OG concealer that was my favorite. They're having a sale for like the lipstick. It's only $2.99. So this is the new foundation, you guys. Like I said in the review, this is the powder foundation. I think this is the only shade. Yes, they have 12 shades. This does kind of suck. This is the darker one. That really suck. So okay, here is the setting spray right there. So I'm gonna get the, where is the regular size? This one. Okay guys, so I'm looking for more setting spray because I will be giving setting spray for my friend Angel and also France. So I don't know where's the rest of the setting spray. They have the bigger bottle, but they don't have the small bottles. Hold on. Okay, here. I see one. Oh, that's a tester. Wait. Yep, that's the tester. Is it a tester? Yeah, they have a tester. Wait, is this? Yep, that's the tester. Where is the actual bottle? Guys, here I have that Lancome micellar. What is a micellar water? It smells so bomb. I have that one right there. It smells so bomb. I have the Lancome. Guys, I've been wanting to try this NARS foundation, but I still have a lot of foundation. So maybe in the summer time I might get one of these foundation because I'm still loving the Born This Way foundation and I don't want to buy more foundation that I'm not gonna use. So maybe next time, but that's nice. And also their concealer, so maybe one day I might buy the concealer and the foundation right there. Look at the Real Techniques sponges, you guys, and some brushes. Ooh, I think that's new. Yeah, I think that's the new one. It's buy one get one 50% off. And they have Eco Tools.
Ang kilay naman.
Saan? Sa L'Oreal?
Pencil pala.
Ah,
Baka mag-L'Oreal.
Almay. Wala talagang nag-aano sa Almay.
Huh?
Almay. Okay, Physicians Butter Bronzer, blushes and highlight. I like that foundation, you guys. It's bomb. Oh, here is the CoverGirl. Oh, here's the e.l.f. Okay. Here's the e.l.f. Okay guys, so we're done at Ulta. Now we are heading to BJ's because I need to get some water. So here we go. Okay guys, I'm just following Clarice. That's her right there. So we're going to BJ's. Hey guys, we're here at BJ's. Right there. Be, yung ano, switch it up challenge. Down with it. Lean with it down. Yeah. Here at BJ's. It's some water. Water. And you said salad, right?
I don't think so. Bukas na siguro.
Okay.
Ano, kuha lang ako ng salmon and...
Salmon?
Yan lang ako nung ano?
Oo, yun yung kailangan ko, yung water. So, she's looking for salmon.
Salmon tomato.
She's gonna make salmon.
Ako lang kasi. Ako lang naman. Si Edwin.
Are you gonna slice it, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna slice it.
Okay.
12 lang, babe.
$12. So, where is the Nutella? Looking for Nutella. Ah, here. Right there.
Uy, mura lang.
Okay, I'm gonna get
Dalawa na, babe.
2. I'm gonna get
Mura na. No?
these. Right there. And some Skippy. I think I'll just get Skippy. Is this the... I want the 2 packs of Skippy here. I'll get Skippy. Here, be. Skippy. Babe, do they have grapes here?
Yeah.
Okay. And goodbye. Goodbye.
Ako na itong mga pinamili
Yan.
mo.
Okay, you got it? Okay. So, going to my car. Ah! Bye, Bear! Ow. Here. Bye. Goodbye. Get it. Get it. Okay guys, so I'm on my way to Sweet Frog because I'm gonna meet my best friend Crystal and Aliyah. So I'm going there. I'm on my way there. Thank God that she's just in the place where I'm at, so we can meet up. So let me see. So Clarice already went home. I said hi to her mom. She was in a video chat. So wait a minute, why is this traffic? Okay, so I'm gonna talk to you guys later. She's gonna be a vlogger. Aliyah, my baby. It's been a while. She's been a pretty girl and good girl. We're here at Sweet Frog with my baby mama right here. Looking like she's about to kill someone with her dark lipstick. She's pushing the car. We're here at Walmart. What y'all need? School supplies? Oh. You good? Come here.
Man, there's so many turns.
She said it's so many turns. Our assistant is complaining. Come on, girl, keep it up. We're paying $1 an hour. She. Come on, stinky face. Come on. Ooh.
It says make bouncy balls. You can make bouncy balls. Nail art.
Ooh, look at them step on his house. Damn, she got some fresh kicks. And the boot is still fat. So, what's new? Is there? What are those? Is she painting?
No, she want to make glue. I thought she need glue and some more stuff.
There's a glue over there. Guys, I'm gonna get a duct tape since I'm here at Walmart for the package right there, so I can tape it. I don't know if I want the light gray or the gray. Doesn't really matter. I'll just get the light gray. I'll get this one. How much is this? $3.48. I'll just get this one. Leah,
Yeah,
how's it going?
good.
Good?
Yeah.
I love you so much. You're so much. You're so cutie. Are you making slime? Oh yeah, she's making slime, you guys. So Beijing.
My towel.
Look at you guys. Pina
y'all know I'm
colada.
gay, so make sure it's like a lot of rainbowish.
All right, gotcha.
I love
Gotcha. And it's only $13. It's like 14 bucks. We're doing the 24 hours. Well, are we gonna hide here?
Move all the pillows.
Move all the pillows and we'll just cover up. Yeah, that's a good idea. What do you think, Aaliyah? Are you down?
Yeah.
I think the guy just heard it. You're down?
Yeah.
We gonna get some snacks before we do that.
Then we
Gotta-
can put some hair.
we can hide here
And we can hide
and
there.
wait until
Well,
the
I can
Walmart
hide
close.
there.
Probably going to jail after that.
I think I'm too young, so.
Yeah, you good. Get a pass.
No, they start going to jail at 7.
Shut up. Really?
Yeah.
What? Okay, Aliyah, never mind. I don't want you in jail, baby.
You can do it.
I'm not trying to go to jail, honey. So, we're looking for, come here. We're looking for some baby bra right here. As you can see, Aliyah is vlogging, you guys. So I'm looking for a baby bra for my sister, and I don't know what's her size.
Yes, I know it. Yes, but now it's lit. It's lit for real now.
It's lit. She's lit. So, okay.
Don't get irritated. I
Is that her white?
don't have an idea.
Okay. Look at mommy. She got two white.
You don't have an idea though.
This one right here. It's the white. So, what's next?
The color blue. The
Yeah.
color blue.
You said blue? Is that a shirt? This is so cute. The hats.
We're gonna get a fanny pack.
Oh, they're in, huh? Like a lot of people.
I don't care. I still don't like her.
In the sun. We're down at Walmart. So, goodbye. He said goodbye. Going home. It's dark. What time is it? Okay guys, so I'm driving home. It's kind of traffic because it's 6:45 and it's still rush hour. So yeah, I will be doing a haul when I get home, so watch out for that.
A few inches later.
Hey guys, so I literally just got home. It is already 7:25. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick haul. So here is from Ulta. Oh, that's my beanie. Anyway, from Ulta. So I've got this Marc Anthony Freeze. I think this is the new one. Right there. This is the new one, I believe. Hold on. Right there. So this is the keratin smoothing conditioner. I do have, it's still the same brand, the Marc Anthony. I'm running out of the pink conditioner, so I want to try, I think this is new, so I want to try this one because this is Bye Bye Freeze. So I'm excited to try these. And then I got some Duo Lash adhesive right there, and it's black. So I need, because I need some glue. And then I got a Morphe setting spray, a backup for my Morphe setting spray. And then I got the LA Girl Pro Coverage. This is the Longwear Illuminating Foundation. This is the white. So I'll mix this one with my darker foundation, so I don't have to wait until summer to use them. So I can just mix it with this one. So I'm really happy with this. And then I also got some setting spray. This is from Mario Badescu. I'm actually gonna give this to my friend France and Angel. Yeah, to rose water, and then also the cucumber green tea bomb, And then last one is this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick, liquid lipstick. This is so bomb, you guys, and I think this is in the new collection, like the shade. This is in the shade Self Starter 130. So right there. Anyway, I'm excited to show you guys what I got from H&M, because they have crazy sale from $30 to $1 or $2. Like, I'm not kidding you guys. So I'm gonna show it to you. So okay, here is the bag. So I'm not even kidding you guys, I'm not exaggerating. Okay, anyway, this clothes is not for me. This is all for my sister and my friend. Yeah, so I'm gonna show it to you real quick. Okay, this is a shirt right there. It's a yellow just shirt, and from $10 I only paid $2. Girl, it's because it's winter. It's because it's winter time here in Maryland, and if it's winter time, it's much better if you buy summer clothes in advance. So I think that's kind of like a better thing to do. So yeah, I got a good deal with that one. And then this one is $2 right there. I don't know what's the original price, it doesn't say, but this is $2. It's just a plain gray. And then next one is this dress. I'm gonna be giving this to my pregnant sister. This is, guys, from $25 to $5. I saved $20 for this one. Can you focus? Yeah, right there. See, I'm not even kidding. And then this is like a shirt, like a dress. It's very flowy. Oh my god, she's gonna love this. And then next one is this like top, another top. And then for $19, almost $20, I got it for $5. Look, oh my god, I'm not even kidding. And then this one is, I think I got it for $4 right there. And it doesn't have a price because I went over there to just check on the price of the cashier. Anyway, this shirt is $2 right here, and it was $9.99, so it's kind of like right there. And then next one is this top, another top, and for $20 I only paid $5, you guys, right there. So, oh, this one is cute. This is highly requested for my sister Mika, so she was like, get me a yellow top. So I got her. This is not on sale, this is just the original price, which is $2.99, and which is not bad. So it's just like a regular yellow tank top. And then next one is, hold on, let's see. Next, oh, this is the dollar, you guys. So for $4.99, it's only gonna be for $1. So I'm giving this to my pregnant sister. It's like a dress because she likes dress and she prefers dresses. So right there, she's tiny, so yeah, she's gonna look good with that one. And then next one is this shirt for $13. It's only $3, so I saved $10 for this one right there. This is just a shirt there. Next one is oh, this was $13 and it's now $3. So that's that. It's just like a black top. And then oh, I got this for my Angel, for her baby Lucas. So I got her this one. I was about to go more shop more for baby clothes, but I ran out of time and I have to meet my friend Crystal. So yeah, maybe next time, if probably, or next week, I'm gonna try to look for more baby clothes for my sister and for Angel's baby, which is baby Lucas. So yeah, that's that. And you guys, this is $35 and now look, it's only $2. So yeah, I'm gonna, but don't worry, I will be going to, I like shopping at Marshall's because I like the variety of like the baby clothes and stuff. So I'm gonna put it right here and I will show you what I got from Victoria's Secret. So right here from Victoria's Secret, so I got this 5 for $28, I believe. So you can get it either thong, lace, regular panty, or like underwear and more other stuff. So I kind of like mix and match them. So here I have this new, because I needed new pair of thongs. I don't know, I'm addicted with wearing thongs. So this one is like the thong right there, and I like it because it's red and it's Valentine's Day, it's coming, so you already know. I'm just kidding. And this pink one right there, I don't know what, okay, right there, pink. I got black, and I got the regular one underwear, and then I got also gray right there. So that's for my man's. So that's that. And I also got 2 mist, because for 18, the regular mist is $18, and now okay guys, so for the mist, the regular price for this one was $18, and now I only pay $6 each. So this is the Victoria's Secret Tropic Splash fragrance mist, and I also got a Victoria's Secret, I don't know, Unique Crush. So yeah, it's so good. Oh my god, I love the smell. So this is mine as well. Oh my god, it smells so freaking good, because I already bought my sister and my friend Mariella at the Bath and Body. Bomb. They're also bomb. So anyways, I also, when I was at Walmart with my friend Crystal, I got 2 towels. I'm not, that's why I'm not showing it to you guys, because I will be doing another Balikbayan box separate video for that. So you'll see what I got from Walmart, no, from BJ's, and also from Walmart. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this long vlog. So I wish you enjoy this vlog, you guys, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned because I will be doing a 600 subscribers giveaway when I reach 600 subscribers. And yeah, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel like I said, and follow me on my social media. I'm more active on Instagram, so you can follow me there. And then also subscribe to my friend Clarice's YouTube channel. Yeah, make sure to subscribe to her channel as well. She makes vlogs like me and like beauty vlogs. So anyway, that is it for today's video, and I hope you enjoy this vlog, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.